Pfizer is now asking the FDA to authorize their COVID-19 shot for kids ages 5 to 11. Good evening, I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. Glad you could join us tonight. So those doses would actually be about a third of what the adults get. A side effect impacting the heart's muscle is likely to be one of the things that the FDA and the CDC will want to take a very close look at.
CBS 17 digital reporter Judith Ratana joins us live. Judith, what about these? Tell us more about the side effect and what parents should know.
So this potential side effect is called myocarditis. It's a swelling of the heart muscle. The CDC is keeping a close eye on this. So far, they say the benefits of the vaccine still outweigh the risk.
8-year-old Sebastian Preibel is one of the first kids his age to get a COVID-19 vaccine. He's part of the trials at Duke.
When I first got the vaccine, I was like, I don't want my heart to get bigger.
He's talking about myocarditis. The heart swelling condition is mostly seen in teen boys and young men after dose 2. It didn't impact Preibel.
My arm hurt for about 2 days and that's it.
Pfizer now hoping their findings are good enough for the FDA and CDC.
This is great news towards protecting kids, not just from getting infected, but also from some of those long-term complications.
Dr. Christina Johns, Chief Medical Advisor for PM Pediatrics, says all the evidence so far points to the vaccine being safe and effective. Still, she says myocarditis is something regulators will look at.
This is absolutely a real safety signal, and so I think that we should be very clear about that. It is less of a risk with the vaccine than it is with actually getting COVID-19 infection.
A CDC report found in boys and men aged 12 to 29, there were 41 cases of myocarditis per 100 million fully vaccinated people.
It is absolutely okay to have questions or to not understand or be concerned.
If you're looking for answers to those concerns,
random Facebook posts are probably not the place to be finding that. Talk to your healthcare provider. That is the person who will guide you.
And for kids who are worried,
just think about what you're helping to do for your parents, your grandparents, and other people's lives.
Now, the CDC says these rare cases of myocarditis are typically mild and they're very easily treatable. If everything goes smoothly for Pfizer, we could see this age group start to get vaccinated before Thanksgiving. Live in Raleigh, Judith Ratana, CBS 17 News.
Making progress. Judith, thank you.